Over 70% of adults feel stressed every single day. You might think it's just the pressure of life, work, bills, or family, but your body tells a different story. When stress lingers, your hormones quietly shift. Cortisol, your stress hormone, rises. Your heart rate stays slightly higher, and sleep becomes lighter. Yet, nature has a gentle antidote, certain foods that may help calm these stress hormones and bring balance back to your body and mind. Stress isn't just in your head, it's in your chemistry. When cortisol stays high for too long, it can affect your memory, increase blood sugar, and even slow down digestion. You might notice it as irritability, stubborn belly fat, or that drained feeling after a long day. But your body isn't broken, it's just asking for the right kind of nourishment. Let's start with something many people already love: dark chocolate. Not the sugary kind, but rich dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao or more. It's packed with magnesium, a mineral that helps your muscles and nervous system relax. Magnesium also supports the body's ability to lower stress hormone, cortisol, which may explain why a small piece of dark chocolate can feel surprisingly comforting after a stressful day. Next, berries, especially blueberries and blackberries. They're rich in antioxidants that protect your brain cells from the effects of chronic stress. Research suggests that their vitamin C content can help lower stress hormone spikes that occur when you're anxious. Think of them as tiny shields for your brain, keeping your mood more stable throughout the day. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard also play an important role. They're high in folate, which helps your brain produce dopamine and serotonin, the neurotransmitters that help you feel calm and content. Many seniors unknowingly run low on folate or magnesium, both essential for steady nerves and emotional balance. Now, here's something many overlook: fermented foods. Plain yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut may help because your gut and brain constantly communicate through the vagus nerve. A healthy gut microbiome helps send signals of safety and calm to your brain. It's fascinating how improving digestion can quietly soften anxiety. But one of the simplest and most studied stress-easing drinks is green tea. It's gentle, soothing, and contains an amino acid called L-theanine. This compound may help you stay alert yet relaxed, a state scientists sometimes call calm focus. In small studies, people who drank green tea regularly showed lower cortisol levels and felt mentally clearer. You don't need much, just a cup or two a day can make a difference over time. These foods won't erase stress completely, nothing can, but they support your body's ability to recover from it. When you combine them with deep breathing, light walks, and enough sleep, your stress hormones can gradually settle down. You might start noticing a steadier mood, better sleep, and more energy during the day. If you'd like a guided way to restore that calm energy, you can download our 14-day energy reboot for seniors below. It's a gentle plan that focuses on balancing your stress hormones naturally through food, rest, and simple lifestyle shifts. And as you take that next step toward a calmer mind, you'll want to stay curious, because there's one group of everyday foods that not only reduce stress, but also sharpen memory and focus in ways most people don't realize. Discover that in the video showing on your screen right now. So tell me in the comments, which of these calming foods will you try adding to your day?